Your biggest betrayal probably won't come from an enemy. It'll come from a friend. That's Law 2 of the 48 Laws of Power. Here are 10 lessons hidden inside it. 1. A friend is more dangerous than an enemy because a friend knows where to attack. An enemy has to guess your weaknesses. A friend already knows them. They've seen your insecurities, your habits, your soft spots. If that friendship ever turns, the betrayal cuts deeper and lands more precisely than anything a stranger could do. 2. Friends are more likely to envy and betray you than enemies are. Closeness creates comparison, and comparison quietly breeds resentment. The more access someone has to your life and success, the easier it becomes for admiration to curdle into jealousy, often without you noticing until it's too late. 3. Friendship makes it harder to keep a professional distance, and that limits your power. When emotions are involved, it's hard to criticize, correct, or hold someone fully accountable. The relationship becomes about protecting feelings instead of protecting results, and that softness can quietly drain your authority. 4. If you're in a position of power, hire people for their skill, not their friendship. Competence should drive your decisions, not personal affection. The people who advance your interests best are the ones who are good at what they do, not the ones who simply like you. 5. You need rivals or enemies to stay sharp and keep growing. Comfort makes people lazy. Competition forces you to improve, stay alert, and push harder. Without someone to measure yourself against, it's easy to grow complacent and fall behind. 6. A hired enemy will often be more loyal than a friend because he has something to prove. Someone who starts off doubted or distrusted works harder to earn your confidence. That hunger to prove their worth can make them more dependable than someone who already assumes your loyalty is guaranteed. 7. An enemy turned ally feels gratitude. A friend often feels entitlement. When someone you doubted earns your trust, they value it deeply. A friend, on the other hand, may take your loyalty for granted simply because the relationship has always been there. 8. Keep your friends for genuine friendship, but work with the skilled and competent. Don't confuse who you enjoy spending time with for who can actually help you succeed. Separate the two clearly, and both your friendships and your work will be healthier for it. 9. Mixing business with friendship creates dangerous blind spots. It becomes nearly impossible to fire an underperforming friend or call out their mistakes without damaging the relationship. That hesitation can cost you results, respect, or even your own position. 10. Turning an enemy into a friend is one of the most powerful moves you can make. It doesn't just remove a threat. It proves your strength, your confidence, and your ability to win people over. Destroying an enemy by making him loyal is far more powerful than simply defeating him. So the next time you're about to trust blindly, remember, don't put too much trust in friends. Law 3 gets even more dangerous. Subscribe so you don't miss it.